Good morning. Derrick Sanderson here with Keller Williams Realty in Chico, California, coming at you for this week's Monday morning market update. So for the sake of these videos every Monday, we take a look at what's going on with single family residential here in Chico. If you have any questions about any other segment of the real estate market, or any place outside of Chico in the Butte County area, even just beyond, I'd be more than happy to get you that information. Go ahead and just shoot me a text or give me a call at this number right here. That is my cell phone number. But without further ado, let's jump in and kind of take a look at what's going on here in the market. If you've been following along at all, you'll know that we have historically low inventory. It is absolutely mind-boggling how low it is. And I'll share a fun fact about that with you here in just a few moments. So let's jump in. Let's take a look at currently what is active on the market here in Chico, what's pending, the average days on market for those actives, and the median list price. So active as of this morning, this is a number that blows my mind. 81 homes currently on the market here in Chico. Crazy fact, if you remove what happened with the campfire to inventory, this is the lowest inventory we've had since almost early 2000s. Absolutely crazy to think about. 81 homes active on the market right now. As far as pending, so those are homes that were on the market, active, and then the sellers accepted an offer in some way, shape, or form. We have 139 of those right now. So let's quick take a look at the averages on market for these 81 homes. That number is actually creeping up a little bit. Let me stand on the other side. 71 days is the average on market for these 81 homes. Part of that is the holidays. Part of that's pricing. Part of that's uniqueness of the homes. There's a few things that play into that. And then the median list price for these 81 homes is coming in at $499,000. You might be saying or thinking, hey, Derrick, that's a lot of money for the median. Well, here's what the median is. The difference between average and median. An average is you take all the numbers and add them together and then divide it by how many numbers you just added. So that's how we get the days on market. The median is you line up all of them from the least expensive to the most expensive in that order, and then right smack dab in the middle, that is your median. So if you have a lot more higher price expensive homes, that median list price is going to creep up. It obviously also does that with the average. So that's what's going on right now here in Chico. Talk about a seller's market. That's insane. Here's what's gone on in the last 7 days. Only 9 new homes have come to market. 24 have gone pending or active under contract. Again, the seller accepted an offer in some way, shape, or form. And then there we have 33 homes closed here in Chico in the last 7 days. So that's what's going on right now. That's what's happened in the last 7 days. Let's go ahead and take a quick look and just take a look at what's gone on in the last 30. 111 homes have sold. Look at that average days on market. Those 111 homes, only 21 days on market is that average. That is incredible. And that average sold price coming in at just over $468,500. Again, that is for those 111 homes. So again, if you have any questions about any other part of the market, definitely hit me up at that number right there at the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, that's all I've got for you today. Christmas is just around the corner. I know here in California, we have some new stay-at-home orders. Depending on what region you're in, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you again next Monday, right before Christmas.